Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to apply for a USA work permit in 2025 step by step. If you want a legally work in United States, getting work permit, also known as an employment authorization document or EAD, is a must. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's discuss about who needs the work permit. First, if you are not a US citizen or permanent resident, you usually need an EAD to work legally in the USA. Common applications include student on F1 visas, asylum seekers, or DACA receptionist, or people wanting on a green card. Check your visa or immigration status to see if you are eligible for before you apply. So here you just need to read all the things here. So here you can see we are already landed in US Citizenship and Immigration Service. So here you can see application for employment authorization. So you will get a form. So next you will need to fill out a form 1765. Here you can see 765 form we have. This is the form. So just click over here and just click here. As you can see, forms here, you just need to click on all forms, or here you will get couple of things. So here we are going to fill up the form. Here you just need to be file opening, so online. So here you just need to go to USCIS website. This one is uscis.gov website. That's you can see it, and search for form 1765. Here you can see this is the 765, and download the latest version and read the instructions carefully. You can also file it open if your category is eligible, which is first for many people. You just need to click over here, file online, and then you will get couple of options. So here you just need to create an account for your work permit, or also you can read this one, forms and document downloads. You can download all these necessary things and then read properly, and once you find out that all are eligible for you, then you can fill them online. So you just need to prepare your all documents. So here actually let's go back to this one and just come back this one, and here we just need to prepare our documents. When you are fill out from 1765, you will also need to gather supporting documents. This usually includes a copy of your passport, then a copy of your current visa or I-94 travel record. Then you just need to be two passport style photos, and then proof of your immigration status like an approval notice or other evidence. Then you just need to double check the instructions. Missing paper can delay your application, so remember this one. So now we just need to pay the fee and submit. Next, pay the application fee. In 2025 it usually around 410 USD. So here you can see filling fee will be there, so you just need to read this one, and here you can see you can pay the fee with money order, personal check, cashier check, to or pay by credit card or debit card, and using from G1 for authorization for credit card transaction. If you pay by check, you must make your check payable to US Department and Homeland Security. So you can calculate the fee. Just click over here, and here you can see what is the fee. So here you can see the fee calculator provided this one information for all this developed to help reduce the number of rejected application. So how does it work? You can see this one. So there is all the guideline they provided us. So when you did like some applicants like asylum seeker or may qualify for a free waiver. Once you have paid, submit your form either online or mail it to the correct USCIS address. Make sure you keep a copy of everything for your records. Then you just need to wait for the processing. Like after you apply, USCIS will send you a receipt notice, so you can track your case status online. Processing time can vary, but expect anywhere from 3 to 6 months in most cases. You might also be asked to go to a biometric appointment. That just means they will take your fingerprints and photos. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to apply for the work permit or employment authorizations application for you in USA. So Once your application is approved, you will get your EAD card in the online and you are officially authorized to work in USA, and that's it. How to apply for USA work permit in 2025 step by step. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and let me know your applications and questions in the comments. Good luck and I will see you in the next video.